Hey guys, welcome to WordsAtScale. So I opened my ChatGPT half an hour ago, and there it was, the plugins. Finally, I can finally test some of the plugins. So before, when I went to settings and better features, I didn't have these plugins tab here, but now I do. And what you basically do is go to plugins, and this brings you to the plugin web store. So there are a lot of plugins, and I have played around with a few of them. But the one that I want to show you today is called Video Insights, and it's currently on page 4 for those of you playing at home. So one of the things that I hate about these plugins is that there is very little instruction, and you can activate, as you can see, 3 plugin, and the browse plugin I would assume is on by default. So what it does, it interacts with the YouTube videos, so you need to feed the plugin the URL of YouTube of a specific video. So I thought it would make a very nice case if we could feed some URLs to this plugin and ask it to write an article. So what I did, I went on YouTube, I searched for ChatGPT browsing, and basically I took the URLs of the top 4 performing videos currently, and I ran a very simple prompt saying analyze the below URLs and write a detailed article based on their content. And I actually didn't think it would work. Because as I said before in my previous video, the plugins and the browse feature is currently buggy. But what it's doing, it's actually going URL by URL, and it's transcribing the URLs. So you can see the transcript here for the first URL, transcript for the second URL, so you actually know that this is working. So URL number 3, and we have 1 more to go. See? And now it starts to write the article using Markdown formatting, even though I didn't ask for it. So the article is called Analyzing the Future of AI Insights from 4 YouTube Videos. And you definitely need to change the title. So I had more luck in my previous iteration. That was more of a article-like style, and this looks like a compilation of 4 summaries. So you would need to feed that back to GPT-4 and ask it to rewrite it as a single article. But as proof of concept, I think this works. And this is one of the cooler ways of using the newest plugin feature. And I'm pretty sure as this progresses, you'll find even more amazing use cases for this plugin here. And I'll stop it right here. So this was my previous generation. And I think you need to rerun this a couple of times. So the one that I got was more in line with what I wanted initially, which is the article called Analyzing the Future of AI, ChatGPT's web browser and plugins. And this basically reads like a uniform article that has an intro about the browsing feature, then web browsing with ChatGPT, plugins, use cases and new features, and the conclusion. And yeah, so I thought I would share this so you can play around with the plugin. Once again, it's called Video Insights, and the way you interact with it, you select the plugin, then you feed a couple of URLs, or a lot of URLs, so nothing is stopping you from feeding in 10 URLs at a time. And then you can basically write a pretty robust article section by section based on the transcripts. And if for some reason you're still left unimpressed, it is currently one of the cooler ways of doing what I showed you. Because if you go to Bing and run the same prompt, it will give you this response here. I'm sorry, but I cannot write an article based on these URLs. They're either expired, relevant, or incomplete. And we can double check if these links are indeed correct. And this is a correct link. So all the links are intact, and in my previous iteration, Bing just said I cannot analyze the videos, I can only analyze the search results. And the other option would be go into Harper, but with Harper you would need to go video by video, and create summary upon summary, and then feed it back all to Harpa or ChatGPT, and then write your article. So it looks like the new plugin saves time, and it's just a cooler way of writing articles. And so once again, that will not be your complete final product. That's going to be a draft that you will need to build upon. Hope this video is helpful. Like, share, and subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you next time.